Good day, this is the Professor, Professor drwillphd, PhD. And today's Friday, November 4th, 2022. It is 2:53 and 37 seconds, a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Today's research, Mars. So let's hop to it here. NASA's InSight lander detects stunning meteoroid, impact on Mars. Date October 27, 2022. Source, NASA Jet Propulsion Laboratory. NASA's InSight lander recorded a magnitude 4 Marsquake last December 24, with scientists learned only later in the cause of the quake, a meteorite strike estimated to be one of the biggest seen on Mars since NASA began exploring the cosmos. What is more, the meteorite excavated boulder-sized chunks of ice bearing closer to the Martian equator than ever found before, a discovery with implications for NASA's future plans to send astronauts to the red planet. The scientists determined the quake resulted from a meteoroid impact when they looked at before and after images from NASA's Mars Reconnaissance Orbiter and spotted a new yawning crater. The meteoroid is estimated to have spanned 16 to 39 feet, 5 to 12 meters, small enough that it would have burned up in Earth's atmosphere, but not in Mars' thin atmosphere, which is just 1% as dense as our planet's. The impact in a region called Amazonia's Planitia blasted the crater roughly 492 feet, 150 meters, across 70 feet, 21 meters deep. Some of the ejecta thrown by the impact flew as far as 23 miles, 37 kilometers away. With images and seismic data documenting the event, this is believed to be one of the largest craters ever witnessed forming any place in the solar system. Many large craters exist on the red planet, but they are significantly older and predate any Mars mission. It is unprecedented to find a fresh impact of this size. It is an exciting moment in geological history, and we got to witness it. InSight has seen its power drastically decline in recent months due to less sunlight on its solar planets. The spacecraft now is expected to shut down within the next 6 weeks, bringing the mission science to an end. InSight is studying the planet's crust, mantle and core. Seismic waves are key to the mission and have revealed the size, depth, and composition of Mars' inner layers. And since landing in November 2018, InSight has detected 1,318 Marsquakes, including several caused by smaller meteoroid impacts. But the quake resulting from last December's impact was the first observed to have surface waves, a kind of seismic wave that rippled along the top of a planet's crust. The context camera provides black and white medium resolution images, while the Mars Color Imager, MARSI, produces daily maps of the entire planet, allowing scientists to track large-scale weather changes, like the recent regional dust storm that further diminished InSight solar power. The impact blast zone was visible in MARSI data that allowed the team to pin down a 24-hour period within which the impact occurred. And these observations correlated with the seismic epicenter, conclusively demonstrating that a meteoroid impact caused a large December 24 Mars quake. Establishing the rate at which craters appear on Mars is critical for refining the planet's geological timeline. On older surfaces, such as those on Mars and our moon, there are more craters than on Earth on our planet. The processes of erosion and plate tectonics erase older features from the surface. The new craters also expose materials below the surface. In this case, large chunks of ice scattered by the impact were viewed by MRO's high-resolution imaging science experiment, high-rise color camera. The subsurface ice will be a vital resource for astronauts who could use it for a variety of needs, including drinking water, agriculture, and rocket propellant. The buried ice has never been spotted this close to the Martian equator, which is the warmest part of Mars, is an appealing location for astronauts. And this is the professor of space science, applied physics, and advanced mathematics. This video was created for educational purposes only. Hope you enjoyed listening. Until next time, have a great day.